Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a flexi rod set using Melanin's Twist Elongating Cream. So you all know that I did a blowout. I filmed a video on it last week and I wanted to do something to my hair to just give it some texture because I was kind of bored with it already. So I'm going to do a flexi rod set. First, I'm spritzing my hand with some water and transferring that onto this section of hair. And then I'm going to take a generous amount of Melanin's Twist Elongating Cream and apply that to the section. Because I didn't want for my hair to revert like too much, I'm just using the cream, and I'm going to take this orange flexi rod and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair until I reach the top and secure it. So here's another section. I'm taking some water, spritzing it on my hand so that I have more control of how damp my hair gets. Taking some of that cream, I'm gonna also grab my flexi rod and roll my hair up. So this hairstyle turned out really well, you guys. The last time I did a flexi rod set, I used a mousse, but my hair was feeling kind of dry this time around, so I definitely wanted to go in with something more moisturizing, and this definitely did the trick. So I'm just gonna repeat this process until I finish. So what I really like about Melanin's Twist Elongating Cream is that there's a few different butters in here. There's shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, cocoon butter, kapusu butter, and also oils. So if your hair is feeling kind of dry, this is a good cream to use. I had this cream before, but it did expire on me, so I got another one for my birthday, and also I have the leave-in now. So I'll probably be doing a twist out with those products pretty soon. This is what my hair is looking like after I have all the flexi rods in. I believe I have about 8 in total. I'm gonna just sleep on it with this scarf, and I'll come back tomorrow to show you guys the results. Alright you guys, so it's the very next day and I did sleep with these in my head overnight. It wasn't the most comfortable, so I'm just glad to take them out now. I'm taking my scarf off and also just undoing all of the flexi rods one by one. The curls came out really nice, defined, bouncy. They also look shiny for me to not have added any oil yesterday, so that was also great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all these flexi rods out, and when we get to the next step, I will come back. Okay, so now I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil, put that on my hands, and transfer it to my hair to help seal in the moisture and give my hair shine, and also to even reduce some frizz when I'm separating. So now I'm separating each section, and although I feel like at the end I had a good amount of volume, I feel like whenever I do a flexi rod set, I don't have a lot of volume. I guess because my hair is fine and it's still like fresh at that point. But this is what we're working with. I'm going in with my Afro pick, trying to pick for more volume as much as possible. Okay, so what I decided to do was this side swept type hairstyle. I don't even know like how I came up with this, but I decided to put some bobby pins on the sides of my hair and leave my hair like this. So it actually turned out pretty cute for this first day hair. As the days progressed, my hair definitely gained a lot of volume, and I did like my half up, half down style and all that good stuff. So yeah, overall it turned out really good, and this melanin cream worked great for this flexi rod set. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.